all ended PSG 4, Madrid 0. Like, come on. Nobody ever expected this type of result. Nobody expected this thing. Like, even if you want to predict, we could have said that maybe this game will end 2-1, 1-1, or 3-2. Like, we expected this game to be a tough game, not as useless this game was. Because this game, to me, this game was very useless. Because this game is still giving me the same vibe of Real Madrid with Ancelotti. That is still the same vibe this game is giving me. Because this is still the same thing we're playing with Ancelotti. There was no difference. We are always believing in individual brilliancy. That was what we were believing on under Carlos Ancelotti. There's no difference. This is a problem that is going to hurt Real Madrid very well next season if we don't change this system. Okay, bro, you have a system that's actually working perfectly for you. I'm talking about Xabi Alonso now. Why changing them? Why carrying Valverde to right back? Is it not the same thing Ancelotti was doing when he had big game last season? Is it not the same thing he was doing? Okay, why not using Carvajal that is back from injury? Use him and play the right back. Leave Valverde leave Valverde, Bellingham and this guy Adagule in that midfield. This is your winning team. Why not changing it? Immediately I saw that lineup of using Vinicius and Kylian Mbappe and Gasalo. I just know that yes, it is over because this was not anything like tactics at all. That was nothing like tactics. That was showing that, bro, you don't know what you're basically doing in this team. You don't know. Because a coach who knows what he's doing will not make this type of silly mistake. This is a silly mistake. Why will you be starting this Gonzalo and Mbappe and Vinicius? These three are two dead people. They are not pressing. This Vinicius and Mbappe, they are not pressing. They are killing Madrid. Nobody's talking about this now because you think that, okay, Mbappe is scoring 49 goals, 50 goals per season. But he's actually killing Real Madrid. You don't know this thing. So Madrid fan, like this video, share and comment and follow me for more content like this. Thank you for watching. I'll be dropping episode soon.